Hello guys, I am Engineer Muhammad Adnan Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel Being Engineer. This is the part 3 of 100 most important MCQs and repeated MCQs which are equally important for sub-engineers and engineers. Link of part 1 and part 2 are given in the description. Also visit them, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon so that you can get new videos timely. Please watch full video. These are the MCQs collected from previous tests conducted for sub-engineers, junior engineers, assistant engineers, executive engineers in different departments. These MCQs will definitely help you out in competitive exams. So let's get started. MCQ number 31. Which of the following causes decrease in per capita consumption? Option A, use of metering system. Option B, good quality of water. Option C, better standard of living of the people. D, hotter climate. So the right choice for this question is use of metering system. So by using metering system, we can cause decrease in per capita consumption. Number 32, the most common cause of acidity in water is option A, carbon dioxide, B, oxygen, C, hydrogen, D, nitrogen. So the right answer is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the most common cause of acidity in water. 33, the phenolic compounds in public water should not be more than option A, 0.1 ppm. ppm is parts per million, is the very smallest unit. Option B, 0.01 ppm, 0.001 ppm. Option D, 0.0001 ppm. So the right answer is option C, 0.001 ppm. The phenolic compound should not be more than 0.001 ppm in water, public water. Alkalinity of water is expressed as milligrams per liters in terms of equivalent. Option A is calcium carbonate, B, magnesium carbonate, C, sodium carbonate, D, calcium hydroxide. The right option is calcium carbonate. Number 35, which of the following values of pH represents a stronger acid? Option A is 2, option B 5, option C 7, option D 10. As we go above the 7, these are called basics, and below 7 these are called acids, and as we go below the 7 towards 1, acid become stronger. So the right option for this is 2. 2 is the stronger acid. Orthotodeline test is used for determination of option A, dissolved oxygen, option B, residual chlorine, C, biochemical oxygen demand, D, dose of coagulant. The right option is residual chlorine. So residual chlorine is used for determination of orthotodeline test. For satisfactory working of sludge digestion unit, the pH range of digested sludge should be maintained as option A, 4.5 to 6.0, 6.5 to 8.0, 8.5 to 10.0, 10.5 to 12.0. The right option is B, 6.5 to 8.0. So the pH range should be 6.5 to 8.0 for satisfactory working of sludge digestion unit. Question number 38. According to Fennon's formula, the flood discharge, which is represented as Q in Q mix, is given by option A, Q is equal to CA into 2 divided by 3. Option B, Q is equal to CA into 3 by 4. Option C, Q is equal to CA into 5 by 6. Option D, Q is equal to CA into 7 by 8. So the right formula for Fennon's formula is Q is equal to Ca 5 divided by 6. 39. The proportion of lime, silica, alumina and iron oxide in a good Portland cement should be option A, 63, ratio 22, ratio 6, ratio 3. As you can see the options, so the right option is 62, which is for lime, 22 is for silica, 3 is for alumina, and 6 is for iron oxide. So this is the right proportion for good Portland cement. Lime, when added in excess quantity, makes the cement unsound, causes the cement to expand and disintegrate, lowers the clinkering temperature of cement. So the right option for this is both A and B. So the lime, when added in excess quantity, it makes the cement unsound and causes the cement to expand and disintegrate. So the right option is both A and B. Question 41. The specific gravity of a soil is the ratio of unit weight of soil solids to that of water at temperature of, options are 4 degrees centigrade, 17 degrees centigrade, 36 degrees centigrade, or 27 degrees centigrade. The right option is option D, 27 degrees centigrade. The degree of saturation for the moist soil is about 0%, 1 to 25%, 25 to 50%, option D 50 to 75%. The right option is option D, 50 to 75% degree of saturation for soil, most moist soil. Question 43. The water content in a soil at which just shear strand develops is called, option A, liquid limit, B, plastic limit, C, elastic limit, D, shrinky limit. The right option is option A, liquid limit. 44. A line joining some fixed points on the main survey lines is called as, number A, check line, B, tie line, C, baseline, D, none of these. So it is tie line that joins some fixed points on the main survey line. So the right option is option B. 45. The slump test of concrete is used to measure, option A, strength, B, workability, C, both A and B, and D, none of these. Right option is workability. Slump test is conducted for workability of concrete, to measure workability of concrete. 46. The highest point on extra rows of arc is called, option A, crown, B, key, option C, skew back, D, none of these. As we can see, here is the arc. This lining, the upper part of the semicircle or of the arc is called as extra rows, and inner part of the semicircle is called as intrados. So the highest point on extra rows is called as crown. So the right option for this question is crown, option A. Question 47. Hidden lines are drawn as A, dashed wide lines, B, dashed narrow lines, C, long dashed dotted lines, option D, long dashed double dotted wide lines. The right option is dashed narrow lines. So the hidden lines are shown as dashed narrow lines in any drawing. Which of the following is deep foundation? Option A is strip footing, B, mat foundation, C, caisson, D, rock anchor. The right option is caisson. Caisson is also called as pier foundation. Question 49. Very long column fails due to, option A, crushing, B, buckling, C, both A and B, and D, none of these. So the right option for this is buckling, occurred due to lateral deflection. The lateral deflection occurs in structural members when subjected to axial compressive force is called as buckling. The pipe installed for ventilation purposes is called soil pipe, water pipe, anti-siphonage pipe, D, vent pipe. So the right option for this is option D, vent pipe. That's all for today. If you are new to my channel, you are requested to please subscribe it and press the bell icon